Good morning children. Today we are doing second chapter of geography, physical features of India. Topic is the Himalayan mountains. Let us start. The Himalayan mountains. The Himalayas are geologically young and structurally fold mountains. Geologically young means the Himalayas were formed in the recent past according to geological timescale some 2 million years ago. Structurally fold. The Himalayan mountains have formed when two tectonic plates, Indian plate and Eurasian plates, move towards each other at convergent plate boundary. When plates collide, the accumulated layer of rock may crumple and fold, that is, pushed across each other and give rise to mountains. The Himalayan mountain ranges stretch over the northern borders of India. These mountain ranges run in west-east direction, forming an arc from the Indus to Brahmaputra. The Himalayas represent the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barriers of the world. They cover a distance of about 2,400 km. Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. We study about Himalaya in two different perspectives. One is longitudinal division and another is latitudinal division. What is longitude? We all know. Longitudes are imaginary vertical lines joining the North Pole to the South Pole. And what is latitude? Latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines parallel to the equator. The Himalaya consists of three parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. The northernmost range is known as Greater Himalaya or Himadri. The range lying south of the Greater Himalaya is Lesser Himalaya or Himachal. The outermost range of Himalaya is Shivalik. Now the question arises, why the three parallel ranges of Himalaya are called longitudinal division? Because the section of Himalaya named longitudinally means between two longitude from north to south. The northernmost is Greater Himalaya, middle one is Lesser Himalaya and southernmost is Shivalik. Let us see the features of three parallel ranges of Himalayas, Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Himadri. Northernmost range, most continuous range, average height 6000 meter. Core of this part composed of granite. The folds of Greater Himalayas are asymmetrical in nature, perennially snowbound. Himachal or Lesser Himalayas lies south of the Himadri, most rugged mountain system. The altitude varies between 3700 meter and 4500 meter and width is of 50 km. Mainly composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. Important ranges are Pir Panjal range, the Dhauladhar, Mahabharata range, etc. Famous valleys are Kashmir, Kangra and Kullu Valley. Shivaliks. The outermost range. Altitude varies between 900 meter and 1100 meter and width between 10 to 50 km. Composed of unconsolidated sediments. The longitudinal valley lying between Lesser Himalaya and the Shivaliks are known as dunes. Example, Dehradun, Kotli Dun and Patli Dun, etc. Latitudinal division is the division of the Himalaya on the basis of the region from west to east. These divisions have been demarcated by river valleys. From west to east, Punjab Himalaya, Kumayu Himalaya, Nepal Himalaya, Assam Himalaya. This division is called latitudinal division because the section of Himalaya is named between two latitudes, that is Punjab Himalaya, Kumayu Himalaya Nepal Himalaya, and Assam Himalayas. Latitudinal division of Himalaya is on the basis of regions from west to east. These divisions have been demarcated by river valleys. The part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya, but it is also known regionally as Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya from west to east respectively. The part of the Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumayu Himalayas. The Kali and Tista rivers demarcate the Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between Tista and Dhiang rivers is known as Assam Himalayas. Purvanchal. The Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. Beyond the Dhiang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India. They are known as Purvanchal or the Eastern Hills and Mountains. These hills, running through the northeastern states, are mostly composed of strong sandstones, which are sedimentary rocks. The Purvanchal comprises the Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, and the Mizo Hills. This is all about Himalaya. Thank you and have a nice day. Listen to your parents. Stay blessed.